Hey guys, I'm at the Box Forest Road level crossing in Glenroy, Victoria. This is a 2-gate, 3-signal crossing on the upfield line, which sees trains to upfield. Alright, crossing door. Anyways, first thing we have an unmarked base, Siemens gate mechanism, black with the right riding stop on red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse incandescents on a Westinghouse cross arm, 2 track sign, standard crosswalk, general signals e-bell, whispering gate, and 3 aircraft gate lights. Okay, so this signal over here has an unlocked base, left with right riding stop on red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse incandescents on a Westinghouse cross arm, a crossbuck, and no pole cap. And then over here, the other signal, we have an unlocked base, a Siemens gate mechanism, a black with right riding stop on red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse incandescents on a Westinghouse cross arm, 2 track sign, a standard crossback, general signals e-bell, wishbone gate, and 3 aircraft gate lights. There we go.